Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. In Selvin Kitchen, guys, we know we are doing something new. In Selvin Kitchen, we have an awesome, delicious, easy recipe for you guys. Alright, for example, the rain falling, you guys feel like you want to eat some jerk chicken. And you cannot go outside. And you feel like you want to eat some jerk chicken. But now, I'm going to show you an easy way to do the jerk chicken in your kitchen. Not in your oven. We're going to do a jerk chicken air fryer. So we're gonna season up the chicken and we're gonna jerk it into the air fryer, people. So right here we have 3 leg and thigh. I'm gonna cut them in 2. I already cleaned them up already. I already washed them already. So I'm just gonna cut them in 2, bore some hole in them, and season up them with the jerk season. I have a video on my channel with some jerk season. You guys can check it out, or I make my homemade jerk season. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna make a delicious jerk chicken in air fryer. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now, people, I'm just gonna cut the chicken in 2. You feel the giant with it, cut the chicken right in 2, people. I'm gonna leave the skin on, so I ain't gonna take off the skin off of the chicken. You want the skin on to keep it nice and juicy. You don't want to take off the skin, make it your chicken dry. See guys, I already cleaned it up already. Clean it inside and out. I wash it with some lemon. Just as I said, if you don't have lemon, you can use a white vinegar or lime. So just gonna bore some hole right down in it now. So I want that season to soak down right in the bone of the chicken to marinate it right through. I ain't gonna leave this to marinate it long. I'm gonna give it around 10 minutes because I feel like I sit at home and I feel like I want to eat some jerk chicken, and the weather outside is terrible today. It's raining all day. So I decided, alright then, let me do a air fryer jerk chicken for you guys. You guys can see it and check it out. So I bore some hole right through the chicken, guys. Now the chicken legs. So when I'm putting the season, now the season go right down in the chicken. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, and please share the video with your friends and family people. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Selvin Kitchen. Okay guys, what we're gonna do now, in this homemade jerk season, I had a little browning in it because we're not outside now to give it a good charcoal flavor. So I had a little browning in it, so we're gonna put it in the air fryer. So it's gonna add 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. If you need any more when you season up, you can add more to it. So don't over season your chicken because we're using 3 leg and thigh. Let's say that is 6 pieces of chicken. You can smell that season, people. So you can add a little bit more. Just scrape it all out. So that's why I say just add some first, and then after, when you season up it, check if you want any more, then you add a little bit more to it. So you want to rub it down in the creases of the chicken right here. So you get the flavor right there inside of that chicken. So don't skirt to get your hand down in it. Get your hand down it, people. Must add that season right down into that chicken. You lift up the skin slightly. Put a little bit of season underneath the skin. The next one, see this? Just pull back the skin slightly. Get a little bit of season underneath it. So this one now, I'm just gonna leave it to marinate for around 10 minutes. Normally, when I'm jerking chicken, I'll season up it like a day before putting in the fridge and let it marinate a day before. Well, like now I'm sitting at home and I feel like I want to eat some jerk chicken. That's alright then. Let me make some jerk chicken. So I'm gonna leave that here, guys, to marinate for around 10 minutes. I'll see you guys in a bit. Yes guys, so now I just turn on my air fryer. Just gonna give it a minute to warm up. So I just turned it on a while ago. I'm just gonna give it a minute to warm up. Just let it hot a bit, and then after I'm just gonna put in the chicken. So my chicken has been marinated for the last 10 minutes. So don't marinate it too much, people. Look at my chicken is right here. The beautiful color, that well seasoned to the bone, people. So I'm just gonna add in my chicken now. Get a fork. Pop in this air fryer. So remember, I did bore some hole right between this chicken already. So I want to add the 3 thighs first in it. Get them to the side. I want to try and hold the 6 pieces. I don't know if we're going to hold the 6 pieces together. Get one piece to stand up right there. I'm going to try and force them to hold the 6 piece of chicken. Yes guys, so I'm going to put them in my air fryer now. So that is on 14 minutes. So after 14 minutes, I'm going to check them. I'm going to turn them around again for another 14 minutes. Okay, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Yes guys, so my air fryer jerk chicken, they've been in the air fryer for the last 14 minutes. So now I'm just going to take them out. Now I'm just going to look on them, and I'm just going to spin them around and say to them, look people, look at that guys, look at that people. I'm telling you guys, look at that beautiful crispy brown color. So we're just going to turn them around to give the next side another 14 minutes, and then after I'm just going to make some sauce and put over them to keep them nice and juicy. And that guys, look at that. Yes people, I think I put a little bit too much in it, but it's okay. I will find a way. There's a will, there's a way. So now I'm just gonna give it another 15 to 16 minutes on this side. So you guys can try this recipe and tell me what you think, if you guys have a air fryer. So I'll give that one 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys in another 15 minutes. Yes guys, so my chicken been in my air fryer for the last half an hour. So I'm just gonna check it now. Just get the fork and just stick through them like that, people. Okay, listen that bubbling come out of that air fryer with that air fryer jerk chicken, guys. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh yes. It's gonna give them another spin over again, and then I'm gonna make some sauce to go on it, some dressing. Oh yes people, oh yes. Turn over this pot. So you want both sides to cook properly. So we're gonna put it in there now, back. Give it another couple of minutes and then I check it, but otherwise I'm just gonna make some sauce for it now.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
Yes people, so in it for the last 9 minutes, 9.5 minutes. So now we're just gonna look on it. Just gonna take it out. Oh, look at that guys, look at that. That is beautiful people, beautiful. So now we're just gonna spin them around. I want to give the next side a nice coat with that sauce. Oh, okay. Look at that people. Oh, you can smell it. So now we're just gonna give it a coat with this. On the next side, so as I said before, you guys can test this recipe, try it at home. You don't have to feel like you want to eat jerk chicken and you cannot go outside. Sure, the rain is falling or the snow is falling, or you don't feel like to catch up the charcoal today. You just, if you have an air fryer, you can do it in the air fryer. If you have a oven, you can do it in the oven as well. So I'm gonna save this for the next side. Gonna give this 5 minutes on this side. Look at that, people. Nice jerk chicken in the air fryer. So I see you guys in another 3 minutes. Yes guys, I think this is all finished now. This is all finished, people. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Is that amazing? Look at that. You just run off the fork, guys. I cannot take it up with a fork. I'm gonna just slide off. Beautiful jerk chicken in the air fryer. So you guys can check out this recipe. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Just slide off the fork. So you want your meat to slide off the fork. You can't take it up, guys. So you guys can check out this recipe. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up with the video. Share the video with your friends and family, people. And guys, please hit that notification bell so when I post a video, you guys will get it. Because Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. Hit that notification bell, guys. And please send me a comment and give me a thumbs up for the video. Share the video with your friends and family. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, stay safe, love. So I'm gonna share some of these now to eat it, guys. Beautiful.
I can't think.